For today's video, gagawa naman tayo ng carrot cake. Sabi ng asawa ko ay carrot cake. Tingnan nga natin kung tama pronunciation ko.
Carrot cake.
Sounds like naman. Hindi din natin yung tatlong carrots. And then isunod natin yung 4 eggs. I-mix lang natin sa isang bowl. 200 ml of pineapple tidbits. 1 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, pampabango, 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Hirap naman mag-English. Ikaw na nga, asawa ko.
Oh, the new blender. I'm going to mix with my new blender. Oh, this is powerful, y'all. See? Ta-da! Put some flour to make it more rich. And then I'm going to put some cocaine to make it more addictive.
What? Bakit cocaine? Nagulat ako sa'yo.
Ako pabibigtaw din ako eh. Lahat na ibinintang sa mga paglalaki.
Okay, konting commercial muna. Naglagay tayo ng cinnamon.
It's going to mix again. The cocaine is mixing in well. It's going to be so addictive. Oh, I'm going to just manually handheld this so I can get deep into the cake. Yum, 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 yum. Instead of using my drill, handheld drill, I got my own new mixer. Ready to put it in, and here I'm going to bake it. We're going to put it at 30 minutes. Now I'm going to make sure I take care of my mixer because I broke the other one. I don't want to use my handheld drill.
Go! Ako na nga magvo-voice over at ako ay nilalaglag ng aking asawa. Lalagay natin ngayon ang half butter. Sabi ng asawa ko is butter. We will put half butter na container. Whole cream cheese. I-mix na natin siya. Ito ang gusto ko dito sa Simplas. I can do the hand and then the mushrooms. Mix lang natin siya. And then, unti-unti, ilalagay natin yung 1 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Little by little. Ito talaga dapat yung hand mixer para ma-mix mo siya ng maigi for our icing. And then, lagyan natin siya ng konting vanilla. Pinch of salt. Binit ko pala siya ng 30 minutes in 160 degrees. Ayan, sabi ni Toothpick okay na daw. So, pinalamig ko muna. Pero dahil excited ako, hindi pa pala siya ganun kalamig. Pinilit ko na lang. Wala akong parchment paper.
What?
Parchment paper. Wala akong parchment paper. Kaya kung ano man tawag dyan sa papel na yan, yun na yun. And then, ilagay natin yung other carrot cake. Lagyan lang natin ng icing yung palibot. Like a messy icing. Bumili rin ako sa mall ng walnuts. Pan-toppings dyan sa carrot cake natin. More walnuts. Mas masarap. And then, after that, naglagay ako ng almonds. Sliced almonds yan. Yung kinat nating top, inilagay ko sa maliit na tub. Nilagyan ko ng icing. And then, pinalamanan ko siya. Lahat ng icing, inubos ko na. And then, nilagyan ko ng toppings na walnuts, almonds. Para hindi naman sayang. And then, ilalagay ko na sa fridge. Our carrot cake. Carrot cake. Yan, lagay na natin at bukas mahuhusgahan kung talaga masarap ang akin carrot cake. Bye-bye!